Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having a great week so far. So today I have my best of K-beauty. I put together some of my favorite Korean makeup products that I highly recommend for those that are just now getting into makeup or just now getting into K-beauty, or even for those that are wanting to try new products. So let's get started. First, I'm going to start off with the face products. So Korea, they're known for their cushion foundations. And for those that don't know what a cushion foundation is, it's like a liquid foundation but in a compact form. And I've tried a lot of cushions here in Korea, and I've picked my top 4 to show you guys today. Estee Lauder one is my #1, my favorite cushion of all time, but since Estee Lauder isn't a Korean brand, I wasn't sure if I should include it in this video or not, but I still wanted to show you guys. If you guys like the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation, you guys will also really like this cushion. This has a super high coverage. I think out of all the cushions that I've tried, this one has the highest coverage. It might be too drying for those that have dry skin, but it's perfect if you have like oily to combination skin. This one is the HERA Black Cushion. I love this cushion as well. It's perfect for those that have dry skin, and it gives like a medium coverage. It's super long lasting. If you have oily skin, you might have to touch up every few hours, but perfect for those that have dry skin. It's very hydrating. If you're looking for something a little bit more affordable, I say go for the CLIO Kill Cover Cushion. This gives a medium coverage. This gives a lot of coverage compared to the other cushions that I've tried. Long lasting, this works for all skin types. It also works good for like hot, humid weathers, because I used this when I went to Singapore and my face looked great even after like I was sweating. If you have acne prone sensitive skin, you should try the TROIAREKUKE Cushion. My friend Joan, she gifted this to me. This did not bring me out. It gave like a light to medium coverage. All of these cushions include SPF, but then this one also includes other skincare benefits like 미백, 주름 개선, and 자외선 차단. Next is concealers. I have 3 different types. I have a pot concealer, a liquid concealer, and stick concealers. Right now, this is my favorite. This is the 아리따운 pot concealer. And you guys know I was obsessed with the Bobbi Brown stick concealer. This is so similar to that. Like, the texture is so creamy. It conceals all my acne scars and dark circles. It doesn't sink into fine lines, and I love how it like blends really nicely. If you like liquid concealers, you should try the HERA Black Concealer. It's the same line as their black cushion. I think this works good for those that have like combination to dry skin. If you have super oily skin, it might sink into fine lines. So highly recommend for those that have dry skin. And then these 2 are from CLIO. It kind of looks like the Bobbi Brown with the size and everything. And then this is from MISSHA. These stick concealers will work really good for those that have oily to combination skin. If you have dry skin, it might be a little too drying. This concealer works great for all skin types because I have combination right now. I have dry areas, normal areas, oily areas, but this concealer works for like all parts of my face. If you're just now getting into makeup, I suggest you start off with a stick concealer or pot concealer, because it's just a lot easier to use. You don't need a brush. You can just dab it onto the areas that you want to conceal and kind of like blend it with your finger. Whereas the liquid one, it could get a little messy. Like if you apply too much product, it can like look very chunky or cakey. Pot concealers too, you can use a brush, but I just use my clean fingers. Next is eye pencils. I have 2 eyebrow pencils here, and then these are all eyeliners. I'm really picky when it comes to eyeliners. Like, it has to draw really smoothly. It can't like smudge. I do use the Anastasia and the Benefit brow pencils, but since today I'm going to show you Korean products, these are my favorite Korean eyebrow pencils. This one is from a brand called W.LAB. W.LAB also sells really pretty like eyeshadows and lip products. This isn't like a gray color, and it's a pencil so you can sharpen it. There's a spoolie at the end. If you prefer the thin type of pencils like the Anastasia Brow Wiz, then I recommend this one. It's HOLIKA. Really thin. Eyeliners, ETUDE House, of course, they have really good eyeliners, especially their 101 Play Pencil line. They have a lot of different shades. I think they have like almost 30 different colors, from like matte to like shimmery pencils. See, it glides on so nicely. And this kind of has like gold glitters if you look up close. And you have to kind of let it dry for a little bit. I recently found out about this brand called COLORGRAM. They also sell like lip products and eyeshadows as well, and I got this from Olivia. These pencils too, they glide on so nicely. Very similar to the ETUDE House pencils. I hate the pencil eyeliners that don't even draw on your skin, like you have to tug it, and I hate the ones that smudges. So highly recommend these pencils. BBIA, I love BBIA. I love their eyeshadows. They also have really good eyeliners as well. This is a really pretty color. It has like a metallic finish and it has some gold like glitter. I'm not sure if you could see the glitter. So pretty. Getting hot in this room. If you like liquid liners, this one's really good. This is from Pony Effect. It's a black liquid liner. Super dark. The fine point. If you're just now getting into makeup, I recommend you guys start off with a pencil liner because it's just a lot easier to work with, easier to fix mistakes. If you're looking for the single eyeshadow colors, then I recommend the Aritao Mono Eyes. They have a lot of different colors, I think like over 100. It's very similar to the MAC. This one's my MAC shadow. The size is similar, the texture, the formula, pigmentation, very good quality shadows. But of course, this is a lot more affordable. I think I bought these for like $3 or $4 each. And sometimes they do the 1+1 events here in Korea. If you look online, they have a lot of colors to choose from. They have mattes and all the glitters and shimmers, metallics. I love how it's not powdery as well. True to color, very high pigmentation. This is my favorite one. It's, oh no. My label came off, so I'm not sure what color this was. It's like a shimmery brown color with some gold. A brand called BBIA also has really good single eyeshadows. These are my favorite. I have like 5 more. These are perfect for the all over lid colors. This one is my favorite, the number 6. I'm hitting pan. This is my 3rd one. It's what I have on my lids today. If you're looking for an eyeshadow palette, stylenandal, they have really good eyeshadow palettes. This has 9 different shades. This is one of my favorites. Really great pigmentation and it's not chalky. So pretty. A brand called HEIMISH, they also have really pretty eyeshadow palettes. This one's the Corali Orange palette. Perfect for the springtime. You can create so many different looks with this palette. This comes with the brush, but I don't know where mine went. If you love shimmers, you will love these liquid shadows. These are some of my favorite ones. CHUPA have a lot of pretty ones. Also HOLIKA and ETUDE House. This is the mini ones. These are all so pretty. They all have like a sponge tip applicator. It looks very glossy, like water. There's not a lot of fallouts because the glitters are so fine and tiny. So pretty. I like to just apply a very small amount, like a small dot in the center of my lids, and then kind of dab it on. That. Dab it with your finger. See if I put a very small amount there on the center. I've tried a lot of Korean mascaras, but I always just went back to my Kiss Me mascaras, the long and curl. I've used this for so many years, I don't even know how long, but I found out about the CLIO Kill Lash Superproof Mascara Volume Curly Mascara. My friend Hannah gave this to me a few months ago, and I love this mascara. It gives so much volume. My lashes look so full. It doesn't lengthen as much though. So what I do is I use my lengthening mascara and then I apply this on top and my lashes look perfect. It's like super skinny, so it gets into like every lashes, and it's perfect for your under lashes as well. You can see how skinny the CLIO one is. When looking for your first mascara, make sure you get the one that says waterproof because you don't want it to smudge and make you look like a panda. For bronzers, of course, it's my Too Cool for School bronzer. This is my favorite. There's 3 different shades in here. The top one's a little too dark for me, so I just used the bottom 2 here. I mix it up together and contour my jaws, my nose bridge, my hairline. This is perfect for all skin, dark, medium, light, because there's 3 different shades in here. Perfect color makes your contouring look super natural. At their house, they also have a lot of great bronzing powder and sets as well. They have like the bronzing pencils, the bronzing powders. This one includes the highlighter. I'm not a really huge fan of the highlighter, but then the bronzer, it's a really pretty shade. It's very soft and it blends really nicely and it's not chalky. This color is really similar to this shade. Both are affordable. They're both Korean road shop brands. If you go to any Korean cosmetic brand, I think you'll find really good blushes there. So for blushes, I noticed that Korean blushes, they're very similar in like texture and pigmentation and color for a lot of the Korean brands. And it comes in a lot of like rectangular shapes like this, and then also round blushes. I know Innisfree has the round blushes. And then I showed you guys this earlier, it's the Etude House one. I first found out about WAKEMAKE because of their nail polishes. They have really pretty nail polishes, also really pretty lip products. This is my favorite. This is the CR01. And then Mamonde also has really good ones. And I recently found out about this brand called Code. They have really pretty blushes as well. You can also find liquid blushes, but I personally don't like liquid blushes. It's just so hard to work with and to blend out. But I love the powder ones. It's from Code. Last, this one was really hard because Korea has a lot of great lip products, and I have a lot of lip products in my drawer, but then I picked out some of my favorite ones. A brand called Rare Kind. If you like matte lipsticks, you really love this line. They have a whole set of like matte colors and they're all pretty. It applies like butter and it's like so smooth. Also non-drying, which is perfect because my lips are always chapped. HERA has really pretty lip products as well. I got this because of Blackpink Jennie. Jennie is the model for HERA here in Korea. It's a lip tint. Has a velvet finish. Pony Effect also has really pretty lipsticks with great pigmentation, great quality. This is her matte line. Pony Effect also has a tint line. This one's matte as well. And last, can't leave out 3 Concept Eyes. Love their lip products. Today, like right before I applied the HERA lipstick, I had on the 3 Concept Eyes Snow Glass. This is my current favorite lipstick. I had this on my past 3 YouTube videos. This is the super slim lipsticks, and there's like 15 different shades. I did film a video showing you guys all the 15 shades. This is also like a matte velvet finish. These are long lasting. After I eat though, the color kind of goes away, but I just retouch it. And of course, they also have tints. This is the Velvet Lip Tint. I think the velvet finishes are trending right now because like all the Korean makeup brands, their new lipsticks is all like velvet lip tint, velvet slim lipsticks. Okay, so those were my current favorite Korean makeup brands and their products. Let me know down in the comments if you guys have tried any Korean cosmetics. If you like this type of video, please give this video a thumbs up. Maybe I'll do like a best of Korean skincare video next. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and I will be back really soon. Bye guys!